Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Trigonometric Functions of class 11. So we have completed 10 questions in exercise 3.3. Today we will see the 11th question. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 into sin x. So here we have to simplify left side and you should get the answer as minus root 2 into sin x. So we'll start with the left side. LHS equal to cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. So here we will use the identity cos x minus cos y. So what is the formula for cos x minus cos y? Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So this is the formula cos x minus cos y. So we are going to use this formula here. In place of x, here we have 3 pi by 4 plus x, and in place of y we have 3 pi by 4 minus x. So we are going to use this identity now, that is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 into sin x minus y, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, so now we will simplify this. So this plus x and minus x will get cancelled, and in the first term sin of 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 divided by 2. So here when you simplify you will get 3 pi by 4. Okay, because when you do this you will get 6 pi by 4 divided by 2. When you cancel with the 2 you will get 3 pi by 4 into sin. Here if you see minus sign, with the minus sign we will take here. So 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4. This minus and minus will become plus x. So what will happen? This 3 pi by 4 will get cancelled, and with these two together you will get 2x by 2. Here we have a 2 also. So when you simplify you will get sin x. So that second term you will get as sin x. Now we will simplify. We will find out the value of sin 3 pi by 4. So what is the value of sin 3 pi by 4? Sin 3 pi by 4. So how can we express sin 3 by 4? 3 pi by 4? We can write this as pi minus pi by 4. So what is pi minus pi by 4? When you simplify this you will get 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 we can write as pi minus pi by 4. Now if you see here, this value angle pi lies on x-axis, so the trigonometric value, ratio will not change. So we can write as sin pi by 4. Now the sign. Pi minus pi by 2, you know that pi minus pi by 2 means it is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant sign ratio is positive, so the answer is plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45, sin pi by 4 is sin 45. Its value is 1 by root 2. So this value we will substitute here. So minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. So here root 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So you will get minus root 2 into sin x. So this is our RHS. Okay. So this is how you have to simplify. Now next question. Question number 12. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. So we will simplify the left side. So LHS is equal to sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So see here the expression in the left side is of the form a square minus b square identity. Okay. So using the identity we will factorize this. So what we can write? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using that using this identity we are going to write this. So sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now here each term we will use the identity, that is sin x plus sin y identity. Here sin x minus sin y identity. What is sin x plus sin y identity? That is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And similarly sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y. So all these formulas you should by heart, then only you can do these type of questions. So these two, using these two identity, we will simplify each expression inside the bracket. So we can write 2 sin x plus y, that is 6x plus 4y by 2 into cos 6x minus 4x by 2. Okay. Similarly, the second expression we can write as 2 cos into 2 cos 6x plus 4x by 2 into, I'll rub this, sin 6x minus 4x by 2. Now we will simplify here, which is equal to 2 sin, this is 10x by 2, 10x by 2 is 5x into, this is cos 2x by 2, that is cos x into 2 cos 6 plus 4 is 10x by 2, that is 5x into sin x. Now we'll group this because we should get the answer as sin 2x and sin 10x. So what we have to do, this 2 sin x and cos x we will write together, 2 sin x into cos x, and here one more we have 2 sin 5x and cos 5x we will write together. So 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. Now you tell me what is this formula, 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x formula. So sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. So how this formula is coming? What angle you have here, its double will come here. Okay, if example if you are writing 2 sin 2x into cos 2x means, then the formula will become sin double of this angle, that is sin 4x. So here what we have, this expression we can write as sin 2x, but the second expression you see here 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. So instead of that what we can write, you have to write the double of this, that is sin 5 into 5x into 2, that is sin 10x. So we got sin 2x into sin 10x, which is our RHS. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Now 13th question. Question number 13, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So this question is similar to the previous question. So left side we will simplify, LHS is equal to cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So we will use the identity a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. So cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. Now here we will use the formula. What is cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now what is cos x minus cos y? Cos x minus cos y formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, so using these two formula we will simplify this, that is 2 cos 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x by 2. Similarly here minus 2 sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into sin 2x minus 6x by 2. Now we will simplify here. This is equal to 2 cos 8x by 2. 8x by 2 is 4x. So cos 4x into here cos 2x minus 6x. So 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus 4x by 2 is minus 2x. So cos of, you will get cos of minus 2x. Cos of minus 2x is cos 2x. So we can write here cos 2x into minus 2 into sine. Here 2x plus 6x is 8x. 8x by 2 is 4x. And here sine, what you will get? 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus 4x by 2, that is minus 2x. Sine of minus 2x is minus sine 2x. So here this term will become minus sine 2x. So what will happen? This minus and this minus, it will become plus. And now we will rearrange the term, that is cos sine and this 2. So 2 sine 4x into cos 4x into 2 into sine 2x into remaining terms we will write. Now this is of the formula 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Okay, so what angle is here? It's a double. So instead of this we can write sin 8x into, here we can write sin 4x. So the answer is sin 4x into sin 8x, which is our RHS expression. Okay, now next question. Question number 14. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So we will start with left side. LHS equal to sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. So this type of question we have already done as example question. So here we have 3 terms. So what we have to do? We have to take first and the last term together. We have to group first and the last term together. Why we have to group? Because 2x plus 6x by 2. What do you answer? You are getting 4x. So here we have sin 4x. So that you can take common thing outside or common expression outside. So we are going to group these two together. That is sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. So from these two we will use the identity. What is sin x plus sin y? Sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the formula sin x plus sin y. So using that formula we will simplify here 2 sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. This is the third term. Third term we are writing as it is. Now we will simplify these two, that is 2 sin, here 8x by 2, that is 4x into, here cos 2x minus 6x. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus 4x divided by 2 is minus 2x. So you know that cos of minus 2x is plus cos 2x. So here this term will become cos 2x plus the third term we will write as it is. 2 sin 4x. Now from these two terms, if you see this 2 sin 4x is common, so we can take outside 2 sin 4x into, here we will have cos 2x plus 1. Okay, so what is this formula? Cos 2x. We have many formula we have studied for cos 2x. So in which formula we have to use? See the answer. What answer we should get? 2 sin x, 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So you need cos square. So what you have to do? This cos 2x formula in terms of cos square you have to write. So cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is the formula cos 2x. This minus 1 we will bring to the left side. So cos 2x plus 1 is 2 cos square x. So in this place, that is the term inside the bracket, we can write 2 cos square x. So 2 into sin 4x into 2 cos square x. Now 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 cos square x into sin 4x, which is our RHS. Okay, so we have proved. So question number 15. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So this is what we have to prove. So instead of proving this, we will bring this term to this side. That is sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by sin 5x minus sin 3x is equal to, we will take this cot 4x to the right side. So it will come in the denominator. So instead of proving this expression, we can prove this also, because the another form of this expression only is given as the question. So we have to prove this expression. So what we will do, we will take the left side expression. So LHS is equal to sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by sin 5x minus sin 3x. So here we will use the identity, that is sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And similarly, sin x minus sin y identity is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Now we will use these two identities here in the numerator and denominator. So you will get 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. This is numerator, and denominator, this identity we will use, that is 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x by 2. Now we will simplify this, 2 will get cancelled and other terms we will simplify, that is sin 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2, that is sin 4x into, here 2x by 2, that is cos x, divided by, here you will get cos 4x into sin x. Now you see here cos by sin, we will write as cot, we can write as cot. Here sin by cos is tan 4x, so tan 4x into cot x. Now tan 4x we can write as 1 by cot 4x. So we can write as cot x by, instead of tan 4x we can write 1 by cot 4x. So cot x by cos 4x, this is the expression in the RHS. So instead of proving this expression, we have to prove, we are taking this expression to the left side and cot 4x to the right side. So you will get this expression. Now we are simplifying the left side expression and you got the answer. Okay, we have completed 15 questions in exercise 3.3. The remaining questions we will see in our next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.